Hi guys, I'm Reyhana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet the very beautiful design for this hair clip. So for this tutorial we need this kind of this, and the size of the hook is this. So let's go to see. For first step, I open this clip and then I put the hook here under this part exactly, and then I'm going to yarn over here in this part and make just one chain. Then again put the hook under this part, yarn over and make one single crochet. Again put the hook here, yarn over and make another single crochet. So are continuous. Again put the hook here, yarn over and make another single crochet. So you must hide this extra yarn under this part. As you can see, I have some single crochet here, so I can push them in the first round, and then I continue this single crochet until I arrive here, exactly in front of this part. So continue this single crochet. Now I arrive here in this part, so before I go to this part, I make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Then I put the hook here and again make single crochet like before. So as you can see, I have this shape. So continue this single crochet until you arrive here. Now I arrive here in this part, then I make 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, and then put the hook here in the first stitch exactly here and make just one slip stitch like this. Now for the next step, I make 3 chains and then skip just one chain, and then here make one slip stitch. Again make 3 chains, skip one chain, and here in the next chain put the hook here and make another slip stitch. So again 3 chains, skip this chain, and here in the second chain make another slip stitch. Now I have this shape and I continue this until I arrive here. Now I arrive here, and here like before I'm going to make 3 chains and put the hook under this 3 chain and make slip stitch. Again 3 chains, put the hook under this 3 chain and make another slip stitch like this. And again in this part you must continue like this part, and when you arrive here I telling to you what to do. When I arrive in this part, I put the hook under this part and make single crochet like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make a slip stitch under this part and make 3 chains and put the hook here in the first single crochet. Again 3 chains, put the hook here in the next single crochet and make a slip stitch. Again 3 chains, put a hook in the next single crochet and make a slip stitch. Again 1 2 3 chains, in the next single crochet make a slip stitch like this, and then put the hook here and make just 1 slip stitch and 1 chain, then cut the yarn. So I have this shape. As you can see, I use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Now I want crochet flower, so first step I make magic ring. Put the hook under this part and above this part, yarn over, again make 1 chain. Then into this magic ring I'm going to make 6 single crochets. So this is 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then put a hook in the first single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is the first. Put a hook here and make a slip stitch like this. Now I have this shape. Then I cut the yarn like this and use a different color. Then yarn over, make 3 chains like this. Yes, and then in the next stitch exactly here, to put the hook here and make double crochet. 1, this is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet like this, and then make 3 chains and put the hook in the next stitch exactly here and make slip stitch like this. Again make 3 chains and put the hook here in the same hole under these 3 chains and make 2 double crochet. So this is 1 and this is 2. Again make 3 chains and then put the hook in the next stitch here and make 1 slip stitch. Now I'm going to cut the extra yarn. We have 2 yarn here. This is purple and yellow. Yes. Okay. Again, like before, make 3 chains, put the hook in the same hole here, make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and then make 3 chains and put the hook in the next stitch and make just 1 slip stitch. So you must continue as this until you have 6 of this shape. Now I finish this 6 of this shape and then make 1 chain and cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. This is extra yarn. Now for the next step, I put this crochet flower here in this part and use the glue to fix them together. So like this. Now this is fixed and finish. You can make it in different color and different design. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.